All right, here we are with another unboxing. I'm going to unbox it, tell you a little bit about this knife set, and then Nikki's going to show you how good they are or how not good they are. These are Damascus style. Obviously, they're painted. It's not true Damascus steel, but it is a stainless steel knife with a black matte paint with the Damascus style and a titanium coating. They're dishwasher safe and should last you for a very long time. They have a nice feel to them. They're attractive looking. The handles, obviously it's a faux wood. But I guess the real question is, how do they cut? So before I get Nikki out here to slice things, let's just take a look at the different knives which come in this set. Nice serrated bread knife. Ooh, that's nice. It's like, I don't know what that's called, but that thing is nice and long and sharp. That would be good for like fish. That's like a hardcore chopper knife. I like it. Looks cool. Looks scary. Nice paring knife. And then how about one more? Micro paring knife. I just invented that name. Thank you very much. So Chef Nikki, you ready to prepare some food for us?
I am ready.
Let's do it. What do we have on the menu today?
So we are going to test out some bread, the serrated knife. We're going to test out a tomato because tomatoes are easily torn. Some carrots because that's like a little harder. We're going to see how it works. And then some mozzarella because mozzarella, again, is another one that's easily torn. Not that it's a big deal if it does tear, but it's nice to have a nice smooth cut. That's nice. No tearing.
What would you give that?
Nicely done. Give it an A.
An A?
Yeah,
Okay,
definitely
good.
An A. Nice,
Very nice.
Nice sharp blade.
Chef Nikki, what do you have now?
So we are going to test out some carrots. I'm going to try all the knives just to see how well they cut through a carrot. Kona likes carrot, so first we're going to give him a carrot so he's quiet. So we're gonna try them all because obviously each knife is designed for different purposes, but still, you know, you're gonna get that nice chopping knife. I think I'd use this one for carrots. Certainly a nice sharp blade, and they do look really nice. The painted, you know, to look like Damascus steel. Looks very nice. Okay, here's a test. Tomatoes. Tomatoes tear, so let's see which of these or if they all do great with a tomato.
What are you starting with?
I am starting with this big one.
Can I see it?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay, scary.
Which I would probably use anyways for a tomato. Ooh, that's a nice cut. That cuts very nice. I'm gonna do different ones. This one's more of a sawing motion, so again, nice and it's sharp, but you want a bigger one for tomato. Try this one. Ooh, that one's really nice. That one cuts super nice. This one you can probably get super fine too. A little more sawing, but you know, they don't tear or anything like that. Very nice. I think this is my favorite for the tomato.
Okay.
Okay, so now we have some fresh mozzarella. Again, it's not the end of the world if mozzarella tears when you cut it, but it is nice to cut a nice piece of mozzarella and not have it all, you know, not very smooth because it's a bad knife. So let's test out the mozzarella with the different knives. This one cuts through perfectly. Very nice.
Making caprese salad.
Exactly. We got a big one. That one actually, I'm going to say this one probably is the best on this. Doesn't smush it down because it's obviously the knife is a lot less heavy and it's a lot thinner, so it doesn't compress it as much when you're slicing through the mozzarella.
That is more tech than I thought was going to come out of this.
And then if you wanted something, you want to just slice through it. See, that's how that tears. Not the right knife for that job.
So what would you...
This is great.
Can you summarize your experience here?
Well, obviously these are not real Damascus steel. If they were, they would be hundreds of dollars, but they certainly get the job done. And if you want a nice, stylish looking knife, I think this is a good pick.